Alright, check it out. My name is Ricardo Figueroa. This video I'm going to show you the introduction to ClickFunnels, why I recommend ClickFunnels, and also we are going to cover what the Pixel Facebook Pixel is, how to install the Pixel inside of ClickFunnels, and why the Pixel is so important. This video is gonna be about those two things. So let's begin. Once you start with the 14-day free trial with ClickFunnels, you will land into this back office right here. This is where all or most of the funnels will be built. If you downloaded my funnel, so you should have already the funnel inside the ClickFunnels funnels. Axionetics is like an upgrade version of the basic ClickFunnels version, and the same thing with Backpack. Those are around $297 a month, but for now we are good with just the basic one, so don't worry about that. Here on the right side, this is where you have your account, the profile settings. If you want to become an affiliate, it's free. Just go there and sign up, because you never know, and maybe you can refer people to ClickFunnels. They have a lot of different products, like the one funnel away challenge. If people join this challenge, you will make $100. I recommend this challenge because it's gonna show you basically how to set up a funnel, run it, find the customers, and so on. You are with this challenge, by the time of this video, you are following six-figure earners, and basically know how they think and how they build their own funnels and so on, and how they promote them. So it's a good just good training to follow. It's just $100. That's it. But going back to this training, we're gonna right now start with our funnel and how to install the Pixel. And now that you know how ClickFunnels works, let's begin. So this is our funnel that we use as an example. It's a free funnel. We are going to change all this layout. This is where you're going to do most of the edit things about when it comes to ClickFunnels. You have your opt-in pages. You have your funnel steps right here. You have your funnel step. You have your opt-in. Once the people leave their email, name and email, or just their email, they're going to the thank you page. So that's how the funnel works. It's going to take them to an opt-in page. We are going to give them something for free, and then we are going to send them to a thank you page, in which we are going to also edit this part right here. We're going to add the pixel. So now we're going back to the opt-in. Here in these 4 tabs, these are the steps. You have your stats. That way you know how many people opted in. And this is where all the emails will be stored inside the contacts. And also here is the settings. This is where you are going to add products at your domain, in which I highly recommend you add a domain to your funnel, because you don't want your funnel to be a name with ClickFunnels. So if you're in the make money niche, I highly recommend you don't use something like make money, especially if you're gonna run ads on Facebook. You're going to get banned. So be neutral. Don't come up with crazy names about make money or something like that. Just be aware of that. When it comes to other niches, you don't have to worry about it. All you have to do is just add the domain, and then purchase a domain. Just do a quick search here, add a domain, do a search. If it's available, just pay for it, and you should be good to go. I think they cost around $20, but I prefer to buy it inside of ClickFunnels because the setup is a lot easier. You're gonna be like hooked up really quick. So now when it comes to the favicon URL, if you want to add a logo just like the one that we have here in ClickFunnels, just add it right here. The head tracking code, this is where we're going to paste our Facebook pixel. Now, if you want to add products and so on, you need to connect. If you want to collect payments for whatever you do, but in this training, we're not going to do it. This is where you connect your Stripe accounts and then make sure you hit the save button. Now, going back to here, let's add the Facebook pixel right now. So you go into this address right here, business.facebook.com, ads manager. And that's where you're going. It's basically your business account. This is where you're going to add your pixel. I also have training about, in which I'm going to add it right here, about how the ads manager work and so on. So just refer to those videos if you want to learn more about how this platform is and what to do and what not to do. So when it comes to installing the pixel, all you have to do is just go to this tab right here and then go to pixels. Here you will see a bunch of different pixels that are inside your ad account. Maybe you have 1 or 2 ad accounts. Just make sure you add more ad accounts by going to your business settings and add more ad accounts. If you have only 1, that's all you have, it's okay. So once you see your different pixels here, all you have to do is just click on one of them and then go on setup, install pixel, manually install, and then you have to just copy it, go back to ClickFunnels, go to the header section, paste that code, scroll down, and then save it. And that's all you have to do. So now that we're done with that step, go continue, and then go on manually add an event code, because we're going to add an event code. We want to know how many people made it to the thank you page. So in this drop down here, just pick financial services, then pick lead, and then we need this piece of code right here. Then go back to ClickFunnels, go to your thank you page. After you're done saving it, you go to the edit page. You click on tracking code under the tab on top on the settings, tracking code, header code, just paste it right here. So that way, every time someone lands opted in your first page and ends up here in this page, they will become a lead. Just make sure you save it and you should be good to go. Now go back. So we're done with the Facebook pixel. Let me follow my steps here. We're done with the Facebook pixel. So how do you know if your pixel is working or not? When you test your link, you can test your link right here, right? This is why I want you to buy that domain. Look how ugly this is, like supportbc7b14.clickfunnel.com. Thank you 388A7 and so on. So that's why you need a domain. Remember, you could buy it inside the settings and buy a domain. It will look a lot professional than this. Now, once you install the pixel, because I didn't save it, I didn't want to put it here. The Facebook, the big pixel. How do you know if that page has the pixel installed? Or you can download the Facebook pixel helper. You go to the Chrome extension store. And you type here Facebook pixel helper and make sure you download this. Just download it and put it here, and every time you go to a website or any other, or your landing page, if you want to make sure your pixel is working, this will turn blue. So that's how you know if your pixel is working or not. Let me try something real quick here. As you can see, this website has a Facebook pixel. That's why it's turned blue. I just want to show you how that works. So this is telling me that this website has the Facebook pixel in page view and so on. So now that you know how that works, so now that we identify how ClickFunnels works, the importance of having a pixel, the pixel will give Facebook all the information Facebook needs to find out what type of customers lands on your landing page. That's why it's very, very important that you install the pixel. The more data Facebook has, the better the ads will work for you. So it's a must that you install that pixel inside your ClickFunnels page. Now, when it comes to the ad accounts, just go to the business settings, ad account, and make sure you add an account here. If you don't see that choice, it's because you can't. You can just, if you want, you can figure out how to chat with them. It's a pain in the ass sometimes, but if you need help, just go and chat with them and ask for more accounts. This account is no longer active. That's why you see it red. So it could happen. It's part of Facebook. It's part of the process. It could happen to you. It happened to me, as you can see right here. So it's not a big deal. That's why I prefer to do other ways to do affiliate marketing than just Facebook ads. But that doesn't mean if your account get banned, doesn't mean that you can put get one back on. So that's more advanced stuff. At least this training is gonna be based on the basic stuff when it comes to Facebook. But remember, just to recap, you need ClickFunnels. If you don't use ClickFunnels, I cannot help you out. And don't forget, I also have private coaching, and I could help you set up all this, and I work with you one-on-one. There's a link below for that, and it's consists of a few hours of my time, so it's gonna be a one-on-one. Use the link below and sign up for more details. And let's see, what else do we need to track right here? I think that's it for now. This video, I show you how to install the pixel, what ClickFunnels is all about. Later, we're going to come back here, edit the page. We're going to look for an offer, and then we are going to run some ads inside the ads manager, and do the targeting and do the ads, so we can start running the ads as soon as possible, so you can start making some money. I can't guarantee future profits on this because I don't know your work ethic, but I know and I'm sure this system works. If you pay attention, you grow and you learn and you take action. So that's it for now, and see you until the next one. God bless.